there's all this history that exists. Maybe the metaphor of water is good. When you dive, it's a completely different world. It's so below the surface.
Yes, let's do some gear checking.
And I think African history is like that. We have not touched the surface. It's worlds of it below. So that makes me inspired. It makes me excited. My name is Tara Roberts. I'm following a group of Black scuba divers, historians, and archaeologists who are searching for slave shipwrecks around the world. I often think of the Middle Passage as the origin story, specifically for Africans in the Americas. So the Middle Passage is actually the triangular travel route that was taken during the slave trade. They estimate that there were approximately 35,000 ships that brought about 12 million Africans to the Americas. But likely 500 of those ships wrecked on the passage over. Of those 500 ships that wrecked, we know that somewhere around 5 have been found, and only 2 have actually been documented and excavated. So this whole portion of history that's just missing, that no one is looking for, thinking about, adding back into our collective memory.